by virtue of another entity having suffered a loss as a result of its relationship with Gold Board, that entity should be left, but rather the Gold Board should be crucified, are simply not understanding the dynamics. Listen, it is not all the time that complex theories and models are required to deal with economic challenge. Sometimes pure common sense is what is required. Pure common sense is what is required.
Dollar in our womb, $100, $50, with 20 pounds, with 20 pounds, with $100. Inshallah, I bought them. So soon we have internet.
I am going na galamse for me to have win. Only bring it to ya. Sana galamse ni nto omuntimi nyano. Eye dwuma ne ni guarantee atama jami. Dai, san komo. If you never go, obi ni chamia. Tell me to me fast on the person. Susu. I mean you ya try coins. Once the coin. Your friend say 50 pesos. Na you go da kra say. Nyame adu na bro nya so a. Ye boti box na no e so. Yesu boss ye so kra ye nyedi. Galam say ni e nyankopon ni o ha bu se motiko. Yes mi su na de na mi a. Agoni fite Ghana 200 Ghana 100 cities ne kitwe onko 20 Ghana ana ori tuzu nani ya ni moye ni kaze ba ya tino kwanse nkwa wa pa kwa na Paulo du agu ni possible anya kwanse ketu azana kwa ni yeni ori kafe mesi Galam say ni we 50 Ghana 200 Ghana 100 Ghana mesi de show ada one from go 20 Ghana na we obeneja abele legitimate work wey obere wey eyere si waje be papa say 5000 ne 1000 Ghana ne 3000 ne 2000 cities na oje no o de be dey aho o de sense kano o de be dey nam ya me ti wo do bi ni nkomo enkomo ni je me kwekwe na ne say o me ya say excavator we ha o kwekwe awo Galam say side na every 10 days we no be around 20 to 25,000 Ghana cedis to was can he or 20 to 25,000 over 20 to 25,000 that's how I mean let's go ready every 10 days yeah hey no be the power group home and come on for guests making a go never say them because we know me we will do dirty things in our bedroom and we like that I'm saying you way you know and why did you say I do want any Ghana and I Galam say there be quick money, easy money, sharp money. But I see a friend say blood money, corrupt money, and I say God's money. You know money. Sikana you go so sikana dey blue so be say sikana fi edu. Fi ni ebi correct ebi come the here say sikana. Olu to dey bete. Anu na Galam say ni we dey ebi ati na say. Edu December okoti ni susu boss I don't know. Onu who Christ. Are you may say no one say request or say we purpose? I think what would the entire Galam say no, you never passing a stop your. What would the entire Galam say? You never passing a stop your. Oh, when the rubbish is carried over your way eggs so. Minimum, Susuna 2-0. I used to carry a dica and it do. Or Gato say. A day with Midima to Ghana. Now, when you want to say 3,000 now, dear, a day jams a mark 100 Ghana. We 1,500 is a day market 50 Ghana. So, what they say below 1,000 Yakafra. That's a way they know. Your market less than 50 Ghana. Only money cut 200 cities, 100 cities, 50 cities. I know what the number to me 20 and nobody else 20 never. Every 20 best 10. Now, 100 cities not about 2. This is the level of money, the amount of money. Galam say for ya galay. No more so for all stop your money. Or to make me miss our way. Abadi. Now you are Erasmus Asaredonko. The whole Ghana Opobia offer against Galam say pie or no. Or say gold board munyam gold board life mano. Now say what is almost gold board about over $240 million. I say pass it, you lose your gold. And then India and China for in gold smuggling. They really say, yes, I say, and then Casas, at least the gold into million as I kai say don money mama bra okosia incentive for na onye wudi go no muta ne say na garam say illegal money aduma yi move to my house first of all mengazi garam say no munye na mo say na say airlines asay first asay river na say gold asay Ghana our government India ni sign for there and they better say asase no so what say we need man na bia gold dey beji ade and then as I don't call of all people say say better the end na say Ghana yen say beka ye gold nu nko ade ono of us open so now we honorable Adongo aso eka the majority in parliament NDC was say what is almost gold board aboka 240 million ze crapcha ne kwa ya ha 240 ana yede ana say no man prefer say Ghana aboka 240 million dollars na a city to the dollar and ya okofa ni free soro na never form ana say aboka 240 million dollars na gold board honorable Abenti Agbenis Abijanfi chief executive officer Odano Adabua ama Ghana the city are stabilizing. Your inflation about down to 6.3. Your policy rating about from 23% to 18%. And we are now pay. The way as you honorable Adongo Empoman I say, what shall I say ODJ Ghana for? Ghana himself for 9 months of way. The National Anti-Illegal Mining Operation Secretary for more head. I call you Susunga Watona. I say, way and penny nipa na plan ne ho asem wa we galamsi na nka nipa wo kronobo wo sa bawa na nka wo zo bi abo wa atete nipa da wo ede se betew wo we galamsi ye nyawa ye betew wo sa de camera says so ata atire se wo to susu enye ni bre we die Ghana forgotten country eduma ne ye even though the zikana ya na agbaro skande e kama but galamsi sika enya de pa enya de ebu Ghana wo haye wo sayen sase ana wasanya film asade camera asezu so etwatre you yate na honorable Adongo eso enkomo ebi ye say ana so different.
Now this $11 million is after we have taken care of the $250 million a week. After we have paid the $1 billion required to fuel this economy a month, we have still been able to build an accumulation of $11 billion. Would you rather pay $214 million as an expense to accumulate $11 billion, or you go cap in hand begging for money that is not available? So for those of you who think that by virtue of another entity having suffered a loss as a result of its relationship with Gold Board, that entity should be left, but rather the Gold Board should be crucified, are simply not understanding the dynamics. Listen, it is not all the time that complex theories and models are required to deal with economic challenges. Sometimes pure common sense is what is required. Pure common sense is what is required. And Gold Board is a pure common sense approach. And all the cost-benefit analysis shows that it is better for Ghana to suffer a loss at the Bank of Ghana at $214 million and accumulate $11 billion 3 years ahead of the target set by the IMF. 3 clear years ahead of the target set by the IMF. So clearly what we have done is to do what we call heavy lifting. And when you do heavy lifting, it comes with cost. Nobody does heavy lifting without cost. But having been able to achieve this feat, we can now come back, take our time, look at the vehicle we are using, the Gold Board, and undertake all the reforms that are required to make it the best that we can ever have. But in the meantime, we needed to achieve this feat so that we can save this country from collapse. So those of you who are communicators, Ghana's best bet is Sammy Denfi, and you must always defend Sammy Denfi.
And in the question is a Gold Board. I see Galamsey for gold now. What? Now is so here. I do not know I am because hey, but the thing is kind of so. Tonight Galamsey for the first kind of gold number. no mo kotoma India for ne China for na small big so e kwaso ti na se osati ye gold board buy no ye gold buy too that of the international market ye we na kwa ye pe lorry fare dia ene ho event say salary ay tia I'm go board workers ni na no na kwa Ghana friends Bank of Ghana eka already $214 million eka ba honorable Sam Adom honorable Adom say they be want ase say be na ye no ye choose the paper ye prefer say ye be gold board we save Ghana every economic goals ho ana say prefer gold board omoka nemo ontimi nyere obe toothless bulldog am say saa IMF no mimi hu de ntia guso ya ho omo IMF ntimi decide by yes IMF de wura wo a ene ya e ono na sen IMF ni problem enye mini problem enye Ghana ni bia problem so far as Ghana ye currency performing na for the first time in the history of Ghana since the redomination na Ghana currency are performing better than the United States of America dollar. Hey, Chairman, you wanna where we onyawe bosseno where okay. Why? The IMF International Monetary Fund for Timasu, they can clear as a river. Some of the MPP for now Muka 38 for no Amoso Montiasiel, Mubetimasu River. They say me tia me found. Me for nyake. Me who they work campo. Say Ghana currency be performing and ye pay. But Ghana say for ne say ye nya mo life mom. Susuni o. Ene na sika na ngasa odie in a day sen. Na go we so say Ghana say e be must open ne and as otena. E be dio pressure wo off. Na mo so for next year 2026 mo odwuma pa. For comment section na say who ya subscribe like it. Na say mo nya so nya bi and we know ba ko pe max pila au naked truth o boga press akao bye bye.